What's up, loves? Welcome back to my channel. I'm Christine. Today's video we're going to be testing out a primer that I just saw hit my local CVS. This is a Korean brand primer, Peripera. This is the Blur Pang Peach Milk Blur Face Primer. It's real peach. Looks like a little milk carton. This retailed for about $14.99, which was pretty much the same price point that I found online. So in case you guys are new here, please subscribe to my channel. I would greatly appreciate the support. I would love for you guys to be a part of the fam. I did try to do some research online. I tried to find some videos on YouTube and get a feel of how this product is supposed to be used, but I didn't really find too much information on it. Face primer that helps your skin tone look flawless and bright. Apply at the end of your skincare. I'm going to read to you guys exactly what it says on the website, so at least we have as much knowledge as we can get before actually digging into the product. The new Peripera Blur Pang Milk Blur Primer collection includes 3 sweetly formulated textures for that airbrush finish, like as if all your flaws were blurred away. This unique formula includes New Zealand colostrum, contains colostrum that was milked within 72 hours in the pristine New Zealand. The freshness of first milk provides brightening and skin barrier strengthening benefits to deliver clear and soft skin textures, just like a baby. Jeju goat milk nourishes skin. An ingredient that is most similar to breast milk contains 28% more inorganic salt selenium compared to normal milk for healthier skin. Vita Complex 10, a complex of 10 vitamins including B5, B7, B9, C, E, A, B1, B2, B3, and B4 for healthier and more radiant skin. I'm not sure if this is a primer that you just wear under your foundation or you just wear it alone just as is. So we're gonna just dive right into the product. You receive about 1.69 fluid ounces of product. Let's go ahead and open this. Ooh, just apply some of this on the back of my hand. So it has a very milky texture. Smells like a lotion. Actually feels kind of thick. This one has the milk blur. This one does not. Whatever's left on my hand, and we're going to apply this right into the T-zone. A bit more of the primer. Apply this right onto my cheek area. I normally don't apply primer to this area, but I want to see how this looks on bare skin. You can completely see the difference between my neck and my face. So it does have a whitish cast to it because I don't know if I mentioned it does contain SPF 30, both physical and chemical sunscreen. I noticed that if you apply a bit too much, it starts to kind of ball up a little bit. That's how it's feeling right now in certain areas, like right by my nose. So you definitely want to just pat it. You don't want to roll, because if you roll it, you're going to end up rolling some of the product off. Curious how my foundation is going to lay on top of this. The foundation I'm going to be using today is from IT Cosmetics, the Bye Bye Foundation, which also contains the SPF 50. I love to layer the SPF, such a stickler in that department. Here is how the foundation looks up close. And to be 110% transparent with you guys, the second I put on my foundation, I automatically thought that I didn't apply primer. But to my surprise, when I applied the rest of my makeup, the foundation sat so beautifully on top of this primer. And I'm one who has enlarged pores on the nose, especially right here in the forehead. I love to put a primer that I can press into the pores just so that everything's smoothed away. I like the way how it feels. Layering a ton of SPF. So I know there will be flashback, but I wanted to show you guys a picture that I took right by my window in sunlight so you guys can see how it looks naturally, not in front of studio lighting. I'm gonna go about the rest of my day. Pretty interesting to see how this primer performs after a very intense cardio workout. So it's about 11:30. I'm back from my final check-in. We're pretty much up close and personal, and I am very sweaty. Felt like this primer really just gave my foundation a nice smooth canvas to lay on. When I first applied it, all I could see really was a white cast, and then when I applied my foundation, I really liked the way how it looked. My pores were all filled in, and even up to now, I think it still looks really nice. If you're looking for something that's gonna blur and also mattify, I definitely don't think that this is the product for you. I noticed though, it started to get pretty oily right here on my chin area. That was earlier prior to working out. It did look a tad bit shiny, but I am an oily skin girl, so that's something else to note. Nothing out of the ordinary for me. I feel like this primer really helped the foundation just stick to the face. Now, would I say that this might be kind of pore clogging? We'll just have to see how this primer performs over time. So definitely keep an eye out for an update in an upcoming Sunday Faves and Nays video, which are my weekly beauty favorites that I have every Sunday. But all in all, I think that this is a really great primer. I'm definitely going to keep using it, and I like the fact how this can now be purchased at your local drugstore at CVS. What did you guys think of this primer? If you guys have tried this out, and if I forgot something that you want to share about this primer, your experience with it, or anything you've heard about it, leave it in the comment area. So if you guys enjoyed this video, make sure you guys smash that like button, subscribe. I would greatly appreciate it if you guys subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to also hit that bell notification, turn on those post notifications to be notified of new videos. If you guys enjoyed this video, you guys might enjoy the playlist. The videos are right over here. Please make sure you check those out before you guys head out. Thank you guys as always so much for watching. I love you guys so much, and I will see you in my next video. Mwah.